When the people at Skoove reached out to me to test drive their piano learning app, I was super curious to see how it worked and if it would be a good choice to recommend to my listeners. And it is. But full disclosure up front, if you purchase the app using my link, which I'll share with you a bit later, I earn a small commission. But my thoughts are 100% honest and hopefully helpful. Whether you're an absolute beginner or more advanced, Skoove's interface and step-by-step lessons make it super fun and approachable. As a jazz pianist, I was excited to find quite a few standards as part of their tutorials, though it covers pop, classical, and much more, so there's pretty much something for everyone. If you're like me, you probably just want to dive in and give it a go. So after a few onboarding questions like my level of experience, my learning goals, and even how often I intended to practice, the AI engine told me what I'd be able to accomplish in just 18 days. I wonder how it knows that. Anyway, at first, it suggested an entire course based on my ability, but instead, I decided to pick a jazz standard, and I found one I like, Autumn Leaves. Basically, Skoove works like this. It shows you the sheet music for both hands, or you can learn the notes one hand at a time. The AI-powered feedback engine listens to your playing and shows you exactly what's right or wrong, like a virtual coach. When you play a note, it shows the fingers moving in the app as well as lighting up the note, and then advances to the next note. It even suggests the correct fingerings. If you play a note incorrectly, it will not advance until you do. If you want to go back, just use your finger to move it back to where you want to start. You can take all the time you need to get comfortable with all of the notes, and then when you're ready, you can play it in time by choosing the tempo and following along as the sheet music advances. I have just a couple of small gripes. The first is that it's mobile only, so the screen felt a bit small for my liking. There is an app for iPad, but I don't have one, so the mobile version will have to do. The other thing, of course, is that it doesn't really understand swing rhythms, and it's a question we get a lot on the Jazzmentl channel. Hey Paul, how do I play swing? Still, I found that it was fun to use and quite accurate. I really liked the interactive interface and felt that overall it was a very helpful way to learn piano. And of course, no matter what style of music you choose, the process of learning is basically the same. So I decided to quickly play a version of Imagine by John Lennon. Getting started with Skoove is pretty easy. You can connect your keyboard via USB or Bluetooth, but since my keyboard or piano doesn't have any of that, it actually works via microphone. Skoove's song library is a big draw. Think pop hits, classical pieces, and some jazz tunes. It's not pushy, so you can learn at your own pace, which makes it fun to play songs you actually know. So there you have it. Skoove's a fun and flexible way to learn piano, especially for beginners, intermediates, and even jazz fans wanting to jam. It's not perfect, but the AI feedback and song variety make it definitely worth a try. Want to check it out? Use my link up here in the corner and in the description below to grab your free trial. And let me know in the comments below what you think of Skoove. And while you're there, click the thumbs up button. It really helps us here at the channel. My name is Paul Tobey. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.